Hello, students! Welcome to 𝐕𝐞𝐫𝐶𝐫, your step-by-step guide to learning English confidently. I am Professor Stephen Greenblatt, and today we are going to start from the very beginning, the first 10 sentences that every beginner must know. These sentences are extremely important because they will help you communicate in daily life, build confidence, and start speaking English immediately. Let's start slowly, one sentence at a time, and I will give you examples and tips for practical use. Sentence 1. Hello. This is the simplest greeting in English. You can say hello to anyone, a friend, a teacher, or even a stranger. It is short, easy, and polite. Always say it with a smile, because a smile makes your greeting friendly and warm. For example, hello, Sarah, or hello, Professor. Practice tip. Say it 5 times today in front of a mirror. Notice how your voice sounds. Sentence 2. How are you? This is a polite way to ask someone about their well-being. The answer is usually, I am fine, thank you, or I am good, thank you, and you? It's very common in daily conversations. Practice like this. Friend says, hello, how are you? You, I am fine, thank you. How are you? Tip. Always use a friendly tone. English is about communication, not perfection. Sentence 3. Good morning. Use this greeting in the morning, for example, before 12 p.m. Similarly, there are good afternoon, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., good evening, after 5 p.m. Example. Good morning, students. Good morning, sir. Tip. These greetings show respect and make a positive impression. Sentence 4. My name is your name. Introduce yourself confidently. For example, my name is John. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Always say your name clearly. This sentence is key in starting a conversation. Sentence 5. Nice to meet you. After introducing yourself, use this sentence to show politeness. Example, Hi, my name is John. Nice to meet you, John. This builds friendliness and helps make conversations smoother. Sentence 6. Please. A simple word that makes your sentences polite. Example, please give me the pen. Please help me with this task. Using please shows respect and good manners, which are very important in English communication. Sentence 7. Thank you. Always say this when someone helps you or gives something. Examples, thank you for your help. Thank you for the gift. Tip. Saying thank you is not just polite, it makes people like speaking with you. Sentence 8. Yes. A simple word to agree or affirm something. Example, do you like English? Yes, I do. Tip. Practice saying yes naturally and confidently. Avoid hesitation. Sentence 9. No. A simple word to disagree or refuse politely. Example, do you speak Spanish? No, I don't. Tip. Saying no politely is important. You can also say, no, thank you. Sentence 10. Excuse me. Use this to get someone's attention or politely pass by. Examples. Excuse me, may I sit here? Excuse me, can I ask a question? Tip. Use a soft, friendly tone. It shows respect and confidence. Practice all 10 sentences together. Hello. How are you? Good morning. My name is your name. Nice to meet you. Please. Thank you. Yes. No. Excuse me. Activity. Repeat each sentence 3 times, then try to use them in real-life situations today. For example, greet someone with hello, or introduce yourself with my name is. Extra tips for beginners. Speak slowly, do not rush. Repeat daily in front of a mirror. Use gestures and smile to sound natural. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Combine sentences. Hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Congratulations! You just learned the first 10 English sentences every beginner must know. These sentences are the foundation of your English journey. In the next lesson, we will learn 10 more sentences to talk about family, friends, and daily life. Remember, practice makes perfect. Speak confidently, use English every day, and enjoy learning. I am Professor Stephen Greenblatt, and this is 𝐕𝐞𝐫𝐶𝐸, where we make English easy, fun, and practical.